All right, I'm gonna show you in real time how easy it is to install these full shine clip-in hair extensions. Now, I have tried multiple different clip-in hair extensions. I've tried tape-in extensions. I've tried professionally installed extensions. But for me, because I now have a fair amount of my own hair, I mostly just want to add a little bit of length and a little bit of volume. So these ones from Full Shine are really, really great. So let me show you what the band itself looks like. So this is essentially a one weft with two pieces or two clips. There are, in this particular set, there are two of this size. There is one three-piece weft. There are two of the small little wefts, which you'll see how I put those ones in. And then there is the largest one is a 4-clip weft. One of the things I want to talk about before I show you how I put these in, look at the actual difference between the extension hair and my hair color. Definitely not a perfect match, but that's what I wanted to show you. Once I get these in, you'll see that it does not have to be spot on for it to be pretty undetectable. So let's start with the way I do it. So what you want to do once you get them out of the box, you're going to play with them a little bit the first couple times to make sure that you place them in a way that your head shape works best. Now, for me, I always start with one of these little tiny ones at the bottom. And I'm not doing anything that requires like mega science to put these in. And that's why I wanted you to watch. So right now we're at the 2-minute mark. I want to see where we are when I finish. So right now, I'm just going to clip this up out of the way. And then I'm going to take this little 2-piece one, open them up. My little trick to tell you is I swirl that clip around a little bit and then clip it in, because that gives me a little bit of extra grip. And that's it. That is one of them installed. Now I'm just going to take down that and simply with my fingers create a little part with a little more hair left out. Flip that up. And I'm gonna take one of my wider 2-piece ones here and then simply move them around a little bit there, clip them in, and then go to the next row. And that's it. And I just mentally know, okay, that's about where I was last time. This right above my ears here is going to be the last spot where I'm going to put actually one of my 3-piece or 3-clip wefts. I'm just going to open them up. Once I get higher here, I kind of start with my middle one, clip it in there, and I am feeling my way through this. Take that one down, come back directly over. I'm going to put my largest one here because that's the widest area on my head. So again, I'm just opening them up. I'm going to take my 2 center ones to kind of feel that I'm centered. And again, I'm just swirling it in there, not to make a knot, but to just give myself a little grippiness. Now look where I am already. I have a few pieces left. So the higher I get here, I'm being careful that I'm gonna have enough hair to cover over top. So what I have left are a regular 2, so this is the little bit wider of a 2, and then this little baby 2 that I'll show you what I do with that one at the end. So I'm gonna use this wider 2, and I'm going to start on the side there in the middle, and then I'm going to take this little baby one, and this is going to be my highest placed one with hair still left to cover over. Okay, so now I just let my hair down, and what do I have? I have an entire head of what to me looks like highlighted hair. Now you saw, and with a paper clip in it because extra, but you saw how I literally had two different color hair. I had my natural hair color and these extensions, but once you put them in, they blend so seamlessly with your own hair because they have just such a natural gradient to that hair itself. Now, the good parts about the full shine hair is that they are absolutely real hair, which means that I can wash these. Obviously, I'm not washing them while they're on my head, but I can wash them, use conditioner, I can curl them, I can straighten them. Tell me, it just took me, what, 3 minutes to add this incredibly gorgeous volume that looks so natural and real that I can't get over it. So for sure, highly, highly, highly recommend these ones from Full Shine. They are just stunning, and you saw how easy it was to transform my hair, and you don't have to be extra particular even about the color because of how gorgeous they blend. So definitely recommend them. Thanks to the brand for sending them out. I think that they are just gorgeous.